everyone, Lori Whitlock here. I wanted to show you really quick this adorable new little box that's super handy. It holds A2 cards and envelopes, and the box requires no glue to put together other than the covering panels as you embellish and decorate it. It's about 3/4 of an inch deep. It's got a little pull notch here, and you can just open that up and you can see that it'll hold a nice set of stationery. These are all A2 cards, and the envelope is this size right here. So envelopes and cards will fit in this box. So it's a great way to give a little set of stationery. And the coolest thing about it is the whole box will fit on a 12 by 12. So let me just show you really quick how to fold it. So it's all in one piece like this. You're just going to go ahead and take these two side panels and fold them down like that. And then you'll take these two end pieces here and just fold those over like that. And same in the middle here. You'll just fold those over and use your bone folder. Just burnish those lines in really good. And then the only other trick to this are these little angled pieces here. You want them to fold in. So you'll just make sure that they peek in towards the inside of the box. And same here on these sides. These will just peek in. And like I said, it doesn't require any glue. Let's see here. There we go. So you just want those to fold in, and then as they fold over, they form a nice corner. And then on the end here, you're just going to take your little flap and tuck that right in. And you'll have a perfect little box. It'll all cut out on your cutting machine, and all you have to do is fold it up just right. And you can tie some ribbon on this and give a nice set of stationery away. So I hope you enjoy making these awesome little card boxes, and I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.